It is well known that losses in crop production can reach as much as 50%. Even in countries with developed farming industries where crops are carefully maintained, losses can still reach 20%. The solution is to facilitate the practical introduction of integrated systems for plant protection, where along with agrotechnological measures and chemical pesticides, biological products are also used. Furthermore, it has been proved that the portion of the biomethod in integrated systems constitutes 25 to 30% for cereals, 60 to 70% for vegetables, 40 to 50% for fruits, and 50 to 70% for grapes. Sibiofarm offers the following biological products: the biological insecticides Lepidoside and Bitoxibacillin, and Bactifit, a biological fungicide with growth-stimulating and anti-stress effects. Lepidoside and Bitoxibacillin are produced using a microbial culture isolated from natural forms of Bacillus thuringiensis. These products cause toxicosis and subsequent death in a wide range of pests. More than 80 species are affected, including white butterfly caterpillars, moth, cutworm, leaf roller, looper, butterfly, and silkworm. Bitoxibacillin can also effectively control spider mite on cultures in greenhouses and open beds, as well as Colorado beetle larvae in all natural agricultural zones. Bitoxibacillin's performance against spider mite has ensured high levels of demand for the protection of vegetable and flower crops in greenhouses not only in Russia, but also in the Far East, Middle East, Africa, Western Europe, and the American continent. Sibiofarm is currently collaborating with companies in 16 different countries. From 1997 onwards, Lepidoside has contributed to the protection of forest from needle and leaf-eating pests. During this period, over 2 million hectares of coniferous and deciduous forest have been protected from hazardous pests like silkworm, leaf roller, and looper. According to an assessment conducted by the All-Russian Research Institute of Forestry and Mechanization, Lepidoside makes an average 60% contribution to the total volume of forest protection measures. The biological fungicide Bactifit is aimed at protecting cereals, vegetable crops, fruit, as well as flowers and herbs against root rot, mildew, late blight, leaf blotch, rust, and other diseases. The producer for Bactifit is the microbial culture Bacillus subtilis. Among metabolites of this microbial culture, polypeptide and aminoglycoside antibiotics have the greatest value. These antibiotics inhibit the growth and development of a significant number of plant pathogenic fungi. The fungicide effect of Bactifit is increased by its growth-stimulating action. The product is applied in the pre-sowing treatment of seeds and spraying vegetative plants. Seeds treated with the product enter the soil together with the spores and cells of the Bactifit microbial culture producer. During the development stage of the root system, the cells colonize the rhizosphere, blocking colonization with pathogenic organisms. The microbial culture grows, secreting antibiotic and antagonistic substances, thus causing the suppression of pathogens. Bactifit is widely used on grain crops as tank mixtures with herbicides. The product gives a yield increase of 10 to 15%. Increases are due to Bactifit's protective and preventative action against disease, as well as its ability to stimulate heightened immunity and reduce stress induced by chemical pesticides. Products manufactured by Sibiofarm also include the phytohormone Gibbercib. Its active substance consists of a complex set of gibberellin sodium salts. Gibbercib assists in increasing seed bud quantity, It accelerates ripening, enhances resistance to disease and unfavorable weather conditions, and supports the formation of parthenocarpic fruit. The use of biological products in crop cultivation ensures a high-quality yield. 10 years of applying biological plant protection agents has clearly proved that high levels of efficiency are achieved when the necessary regulations are observed. Another significant advantage of biological products is that their use as protective measures assist in biodiversity conservation. This in turn supports natural agents in their action against populations of hazardous organisms. Biological products, therefore, support the recovery of the naturally occurring regulatory systems that exist in biological communities.